mean, I thought this morning when I woke up, shit, that's really bad. Actually, it's not. Actually, it's the time when you need to stand up and to say, okay, we have done everything we could. We cannot fight against the nature, Mother Nature. We have to be flexible enough to take the best out of it. And it's our chance really to demonstrate this to our students. I think there is no better chance than today.
If we cannot fly today, at least we do some merchandise.
This you can cut. I never do it before. So, first objective, to have fun. Second, to be safe in a training environment. So, learning, having fun, basically. The objective for the people is basically to prevent, recognize and recover from a spin in case it happened to them. This training does not mean that tomorrow they go in the air with a Piper 28 and they say to their wife or husband, yeah, let's do a spin together, because this is gonna happen. You have really to stress, guys, this you do it today with a certified aircraft, with 2 certified instructors. It's not something that you do by yourself.